It's El Pollo Diablo.
The demon chicken!
We don't serve your kind here.
Beat it! Get me the scissors!
Eviscerate him!
He'll regret ever setting claws in this place. I want the neck!
It's El Pollo Diablo! Kill him!
Uh-oh.
Do you have a reservation? Madre de Dios! Es el Pollo Diablo!
Sí, he dejado en libertad los prisioneros y ahora vengo por ti.
Well, you're not taking me without a fight!
Ugh, this chicken grease washed off all the feathers. Whoops, I better keep quiet.
Absolutely, Captain. I'll get right on it after I have my dinner. What's that, Captain? I eat too much fried chicken. Well, I've just got a weakness for chicken, that's all. I know you don't have any weaknesses, Captain LeChimp. You're an overachiever, a doer. I'm just a tiny little fly.
LeChimp? The captain is an ape? Well, if the captain is an ape, then Mr. Fossey must be...
Aye, aye, Captain! Fresh bananas for the whole crew!
an utter loon.
What's that, Captain? Your parasites are bothering you. Well, of course I'll groom you, sir. You know, sir, finding this gold statue may be just the boost our crew needs. Why, with the riches we get from this, we can get new and better ships and become the terror of the Caribbean!
Ah, it's a porcelain vase. Ah, it's a porcelain vase. That must be the map to where they've buried Elaine. It's Mr. Fossey, the first mate. It's the dread pirate LeChimp. If he knows I'm here, he might do something even... The A-C's of ventriloquism. Testing, check 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh, I'm hearing the voices again!
Captain LeChimp, I'm the real brains behind this crew.
Oh, what made me say that? I'm terribly sorry, Captain.
I'm not picking nits off you anymore, Captain.
Don't! Where did that come from?
Yeah, this whole ship, it stinks like a zoo.
Why do I keep saying these things?
You think you could maybe shave your back? It's really disgusting.
I don't know why I said that, sir. I don't even think that.
Permission to speak freely, sir. You're a big, dumb monkey.
Maybe I need some time alone, sir. I don't mean you any disrespect.
That's fun, but it doesn't seem to be making any difference. Mr. Fossey, I've been thinking.
Are you all right, Captain? You sound different.
Don't interrupt.
Sorry, sir.
Maybe it's time we gave up pirating. I mean, take a look around at me, at the rest of the crew. We're all monkeys.
You mean in the Darwinian sense, sir?
No, I mean in the quite literal sense. Have you noticed that the crew is happier swinging from the masts than swabbing the decks? I don't even want to mention what they've been flinging around the ship.
Are you suggesting that I'm not disciplining the crew enough?
No, I'm suggesting that we all give up this charade and go back to the trees. That's the life for a monkey, not sailing the seas for months on end.
Well, if you feel so strongly about it, sir, I suppose I can't argue.
I think our last order of business should be to dig up that statue and...
It'll be tough on the men, sir. But I'll tell them that you think it best.
Okay, but first we should dig up that statue and give it to...
I'll make sure they understand that it's not their fault.
Very good. And then we can dig up that statue and... Okay, never mind then. That must be the map to where they've buried Elaine. It's the Dread Pirate LeChimp. I think Mr. Fossey is the only guy who can talk to him. I don't want any plunder bread. Oh yeah, like I want another mouthful of maggots. I'm not that interested in mashed potatoes right now. I never liked cranberries, and I don't plan to start now. I don't want to get the kernels stuck in my teeth. I'm not in the mood for bananas. Salt and pepper alone aren't very tasty. Vinegar isn't brewed for drinking. Whoops, there's no rowboat.
You brute! Then fall, Caesar! Thank you, thank you.
Oh, I just can't watch. It smells like something's burning. Must be this shoddy 17th century electrical wiring. Wait a second. Somebody's been monkeying around with these controls. That's it! That must be where Elaine is buried.
And now, the moment I know you've all been waiting for. How about some amazing juggling? Is this a dagger I see before me? No, it's 3. See how I juggle these knives? At great personal risk to myself, and to you if I slip.
He's a great juggler, but I sure wish he'd get off the stage so I can dig Elaine up.
Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him. And his 2 pals. Whee!
Drop it! Drop it! Uh-oh. It looks like he's coming for the cannonballs now.